perfect cake can never be too rich or too cool. Dust the pan with cocoa instead of flour for a perfectly chocolate appearance. Cool completely so the frosting won't melt. Take advantage of its versatility. You just made perfect even better. Get the complete recipe now at Hershey'sKitchens.com.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Abraxas, and I am going to do a little review. We've been getting some products sent to us to review, and so this is Viva, V-I-V-A, Labs, Organic Raw Cacao Nibs. Now, I wasn't exactly sure what to do with these cacao nibs, but I found something really yummy to do, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Just a really quick thing. One is you're going to take a cup of coconut milk. You're going to take 1 banana, you're going to take a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of Viva Labs cacao nibs, and you're going to blend them up like I just did in here. And it is really, really good. It has kind of a sweet taste, but it feels like filling, so you feel like, if you eat something healthy for you, feel like you could go eat a cheeseburger afterwards, but this is not the case. It feels really satiating. So, if you're looking for a nice snack on the go, these cacao nibs are pretty good. And the Viva Labs, I don't have a lot to compare it to, but it tastes fresh. It tastes really good. Cacao nibs on their own, not my thing. They're a little bitter, but in a little smoothie with little honey, oh my gosh. Even my boys will have these with honey, milk, and cacao nibs, and they like them. And what I like about it is I don't get jittery from it, but I get a nice vital energy from it, because I don't do well on coffee. My nerves get kind of... So, yeah, Viva Labs, you've done a great job, and I'm loving my coconut milk banana cacao nib smoothie. So give it a try.